Hey guys, and welcome back. This is Safe, and today I'm gonna show you how you can make money easily just by watching ads. So let's get started. First, you need to visit adslice.com, and after signing up, where you will land, you will find on the top your own coins here and what it's equivalent in dollars. You will also find key metrics and insights of your own performance. And now, if you want to start actually making money by just watching ads, you can just head to connections here. Then you need to click on connect new extension, where you will be able to add an extension for Slice. And before adding it to Chrome, if you want to make sure that it's actually legit, you can just head to Google and you can just search on Trustpilot review Slice. And here you will find its rating. So here you will find that adslice.com is actually 4.3 review. This is not AdSlice. This is just called Slice Reviews. I am searching for AdSlice. So this is the right review. And here you will find that it actually had 162 reviews and it's about 4.3 rating. So it means that it's actually working. So now let's head to our own extension and let's add it to Chrome, and let's just wait for a couple of seconds till it's done. And now it has been successfully added. So I will just go back to my own. I will just click on withdraw here just to exit this window. And here I will just, I think it's unclickable, so I will go back to my own Slice here. And now I will just refresh. Then I will click on my own extensions, and here is Slice extension. So here you can see your own stats. You can also choose how much ads you want to see. You can choose whether you want less ads, balanced, or more ads. If you are interested in actually gaining more money, you just need to make it on more ads. And here you can also enable search with Bing, because now if we searched on anything on Google, like Google Ads, for example, you will find ads that are only supported by Google. However, if you want to see more ads, including those who are actually made by Bing, you can just go to your own extension and enable this choice. Next, here you can also download another extension, which is called Slice Tab, that will actually allow you to get notifications for different ads. So if you are interested in making more money, you can just go and download this extra plugin or extra extension. So here I will just log in. And after logging in, I will just download the extension. So now I'm going to click on Add to Chrome. And I'm going to click here on Add to Chrome and install plugin. And I will just wait for a couple of seconds. Now let's see if it's actually working. So by just clicking on a new tab, here you will find that you will be redirected to a tab which is supported by Slice, in which you will find an ad here, and you will also find that the browser is different than what we used to see before. So this actually makes you earn more money. So by just navigating to different ads, let's just search for anything, Google Ads. You can now check on any of these ads. You can just visit any ad from these ones. Let's just check this ad, for example. And by seeing different ads here, you'll find that by returning back to your own Slice dashboard, you will find that you actually have your own balance increasing the more you are exploring different ads. And this is how you can actually earn money just by doing the same activity as you did before, because you are actually not doing anything more. you are exploring and streaming on your own browser normally, and you will find different ads on your way, so they will not make much hassle to you, but you will earn money just by seeing these ads. So this is actually a way that you can use to earn ads. You can also use Slice to go to rewards and access surveys, where you will be able to earn extra cash. Here you can see different surveys, and it's based on where you are located. You will find more or less surveys. So here I only have one survey, which shows how much credit I will get, how much point, which are 160 slices. It also shows you the rating of this survey, because if it's of low rate, of course you will not like to solve it. Here you can also see how much time it will take from you. You can also go to Crew, in which actually offers you to copy this link, invite other users, and the more if they stayed for 30 days active on at Slice, you will actually get 1,000 points, which is really attractive. So this can be helpful by just copying it, and you can just visit Facebook pages or Twitter pages which actually require extra cash or making money from home, and you can just paste this link on them, and when people just participate and are active on AdSlice, you will actually gain your own cut. After earning money, you can just visit Payout, where you will be able to withdraw your own money. So here you can see how much money you've got, and well, this is actually your own points will not be available immediately. Any point that you will achieve or earn will be available after 30 days from earning it, which is one of the drawbacks of AdSlice. However, it's a methodology that they use to prevent fraud. So you will have to wait for 30 days so that you can earn money, or you can actually withdraw your own money. However, it's legit, and you will actually get this money after a month. And to look at the positive part, you will not withdraw each single dollar that you make. You will withdraw a specific sum of money after making, for example, let's say $10, $20. So because you, of course, you want to decrease the fees that you actually pay when you withdraw this money. So it's not wise to just withdraw every single cent you earn. So I don't think it's a really big drawback that you will need to wait, because anyway, you will need to wait to make a huge sum of money that you can withdraw. And here you can see the different payment methods. So here you have the option to withdraw your own money as cryptocurrency, and you also can withdraw it as gift cards. However, if you want to withdraw your own money as a cash using PayPal, you will have to pay for 4% fee. So it's your own choice, and you can decide what is the best for you. And this is how easy you can make money just by watching ads on AdSlice. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.